high definition. This week we're going to do something different. We're going to do some real work with a CNC machine. We're going to make this part, well actually this is 5 different parts. We're going to machine this on the CNC machine out of acrylic bar stock plastic. Now to machine this plastic, it needs to be plastic needs to be cut off into 20mm long by 51mm in diameter pieces of the bar. Now to hold that, I've had to make a jig to go onto the CNC machine, which I'll show you just in a minute, and well, we'll take it from there. Okay, this is the jig. I needed a staging which lifted it up off the table, lifted the material, and then to hold the material, of course I've got a 51mm diameter hole, 15mm deep, plus a hole bored out all the way through. There's a thread through here, and I've actually put an aluminium bar strip in there with the thread in it to take the load off the What I actually need is to be able to machine the top, then take the piece of work out, flip it over, put it back in, and know that the piece of material is in exactly the same position, and then machine the other side. So this is the method I've come up to do that. So the first job is to slot the bar stock material. So the actual slot is in exactly the same position for every one of them. Okay, as you can see, I've got the 4th axis set up on the router machine, and this is the bar stock that I'm going to put a V-cut slot so far down the bar, as I was just mentioning. Okay, the bar stock has just been cut off, and I've just squared it up and made it exactly 20mm in depth, and now it's ready for the CNC router. Okay, we've got a plastic billet now in the jig, and you'll see there's a little tiny datum mark. Now that is the actual start point of the program, because if you remember in ArtCam, you start at the front corner edge, and it's normally a square or rectangle piece of work. Well, I've done this, I've written the program as if this was a rectangle piece of work, and this is my start off point here. So I've zeroed everything, and zero the top of the material, and we'll make a start. And that's the sort of job that this machine will do. Absolutely perfect. the finished item, or the first finished part anyway. There's more to follow.